Welcome to Wildrose Media's Spring Craft Box tutorial. In this video, I will be teaching you how to make the Sea Creatures craft. There are two versions of this craft. One has a dolphin and a turtle, the other one has a shell and a turtle. The instructions are the same for both crafts. Begin by emptying the craft kit onto your work surface. In the kit you'll find sandpaper, a paintbrush, 2 wood blocks, 2 dark brown wood blocks, a Q-tip, some glue, white paint for the 2 large blocks, blue paint for the dolphin, and a green paint for the turtle. We'll begin by painting the white blocks. Paint one side first, set it aside to dry, and then do the other. While you're waiting for these blocks to dry, you can paint the dolphin and the turtle. They will have to dry completely as well before you sand them. Make sure you get the edges really well, because they will show. Now while you paint both sides of the white, you're only going to paint one side of the dolphin and one side of the turtle. Set it aside and let it dry completely. Now use the green paint to paint the turtle. Just like with the dolphin, be sure to paint the edges as well. Set the turtle aside to dry. Once the paint is completely dry, you can use the sandpaper. Lightly sand the edges of the white blocks to give it a somewhat distressed look. Careful not to sand all the paint off. Next you'll sand the dolphin and the turtle. We're going to concentrate on the edges. If you're worried about breaking the fins or the tail, lay it flat on your table and sand it that way. If the sandpaper tears, just fold it and use a different spot. Next, we'll glue our creatures onto the white wood blocks. Decide which way you want the blocks to go. I'm going to have mine horizontally, with the lines going sideways. Use the cotton swab to apply a little bit of glue to the unpainted side of the turtle and the dolphin. Place both creatures onto the white blocks. Now we'll place them onto the dark wood blocks, which are our base. Use the cotton swab to apply a little bit of glue to the bottom of the white blocks. Attach the white blocks carefully to the wide, flat surface of the brown base. Move it around so that it's straight and then set it aside to dry. You'll do the same thing with the turtle. And there you go. Your craft is done. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and share.